Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to find the right online Mandarin tutor dash 5 advantages to have a Mandarin tutor. Are tutors worth it? Short answer, yes. Having a tutor is highly recommended. 5 advantages to have a tutor share with you today. Let's see what the internet says. First, learning from real life conversations. A comment from Mihail Kwenhove, a specialist in professional education. If you start your learning by communicating with people every day, learning from real life conversations, you are on the right track to fluency and you will get there sooner than you think. That's why, in my opinion, you absolutely don't need a teacher who will just open a textbook on page 5 and do the exercise with you. This exercise is not the same as real life communication, and doing this exercise leads you nowhere. Second, customization. A comment from Dana Hushman, a founder and attempter of difficult things in remote places at discover discomfort. A good tutor prepares before class, customizing material for you. They might use a book, but only because they think you need it, and they will skip sections, have additional word and grammar materials, and wouldn't necessarily just go to volume 2 of the same series. Third, correct your pronunciation. A comment from Thomas Huka, a journalist, teacher, and a music enthusiast. The tutor will help you with pronunciation at the very start so you do not make too many mistakes. If you are hiring one, make sure you let him or her know what you are learning the new language, so she or he can get to the basics, correctly pronouncing words, and basic verb conjugation exercise, etc. Fourth, help you to achieve your desired goal. A comment from Rashid Puri, a language enthusiast from New Delhi. If you are learning a language for a particular reason, like studies or business, the tutor can help you get accustomed to associate lingo, words, and expressions that may be vital for you to achieve the desired goal associated with the language. Final, border listening and speaking skills. A comment from Michael Smith, a German tutor at Smarter German. Also use at least a third of the section for speaking practice, if not half or 2/3. Later on, once you advance to B2, you might want to hire another tutor solely for conversation practice. That's how I usually operate. This gives you order listening and speaking training, which is very helpful. Summary 1. Having a Mandarin tutor you can learn from real life conversations. 2. A good tutor customizes material for you. 3. A tutor will help you with pronunciation at the very start so you don't make too many mistakes. Fourth, a good tutor helps you to achieve your desired goal. And final, having a tutor gives you border listening and speaking skills. Next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right online Mandarin tutor. Top 3 advantages working with a native. Final, a question for you. The rest of life you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Wailing Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.